Hi, it's Carrie. Lots more baby animals today. Charolais calf and mum. They tend to be hardy animals, able to withstand cold winters and warm summers. They have rugged hooves and also are able to walk over rough terrain. Can you tell me how many kittens in today's video? The baby ducklings and 2 drakes. Baby ducklings can swim, waddle, feed and find food right away just after they are hatched. Ducks may waddle along slowly, but they can fly pretty fast. Cattle stomachs have 4 chambers which help break down what they eat. Baby goat kids and their mom. Goats were the first animals to be used by humans for milk. Goats are very agile and can jump very high when needed. Some goats can jump as high as 5 feet or 1.5 meters. Nanny goat. All over the world, goats are known as great climbers and can often be found climbing hills, rocks and even on rooftops. Baby lambs and their mums. The ewe, which is the mother sheep, gives birth to between 1 and 3 lambs. Lambs weigh about 5 to 8 pounds when they are born. They are very social animals and live in groups called herds or flocks. Baby lambs. Sheep have a field of vision of around 300 degrees, allowing them to see behind themselves without having to turn their head. Their fleece is cut or sheared in the spring to make wool for clothing. Sheep are ruminants and they have a 4-chambered stomach which helps break down what they eat. Baby chickens are chicks. The hens often live in groups and each hen looks after her own brood, which means family of chicks. Baby kittens and their mum. They can't see and hear fully until they are 2 to 3 weeks old. Kittens like to sleep around 18 hours per day. A kitten's whiskers are as long as their bodies are wide. The knabstrapper foal and the mare and stallion. The foals can run shortly after birth. The knabstrapper is the oldest horse breed in Denmark and has an exceptionally beautiful spotted coat. The dots and spots on its coat are as unique as its character. Horses can sleep or doze standing up or lying down. They are often used as therapy horses. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Subscribe and like if you like baby animals. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.